You sit in the driver's seat of your Chevy Silverado. You look at the dashboard and everything seems fine. No warning lights. The oil gauge looks normal. You feel completely in control, but you are being lied to. Hiding behind that steering wheel are factory settings designed to make you feel safe, right up until the moment your engine violently destroys itself. General Motors programmed these trucks for fuel efficiency and low maintenance scores, not for survival. Today, we are exposing the 5 silent killers built into your Silverado. If you do not bypass, ignore, or turn off these 5 factory settings immediately, you are volunteering to pay a $5,000 repair bill. Let's start with the biggest lie on your dashboard. Setting number 1 you must ignore: the factory oil life monitor. Your dashboard will happily tell you that you have 50% oil life left and suggest you wait until 7,000 or even 10,000 miles to change it. Turn that mental setting off right now. That algorithm is a death sentence for the 5.3-liter V8. The delicate AFM lifters inside your engine require absolute pristine lubrication. Waiting 7,000 miles turns your oil into liquid sandpaper. The tiny filters inside the lifters clog, the lifter collapses, and the camshaft shatters. Your new setting is this: full synthetic oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles maximum. Never trust the digital percentage. Setting number 2, the active fuel management system, or V4 mode. This is the Trojan horse we warned you about. When you cruise on the highway, the truck shuts down 4 cylinders to save a few pennies on gas. Every time it switches from V8 to V4, it puts immense hydraulic pressure on the valvetrain. You cannot just push a button on your dashboard to turn this off. To permanently disable this setting without voiding your warranty, you must plug an electronic AFM disabler directly into your OBD2 port. It forces the truck to stay in V8 mode 100% of the time. It is the single cheapest insurance policy for your engine. Setting number 3. Using cruise control on uneven terrain. We all love cruise control, but if you drive a Silverado with AFM through hills or mountains, keeping it engaged is a massive mistake. When the truck climbs a hill, it switches to V8. When it goes down, it switches to V4. Over a 50-mile hilly drive, your engine is violently switching between 4 and 8 cylinders hundreds of times. This constant, aggressive shifting is exactly what causes the lifter springs to snap. If you are driving through hills, turn the cruise control off. Use your foot to maintain a steady RPM and keep the engine stable. Setting number 4, you need to bypass: the electronic throttle lag. Have you ever stepped on the gas pedal of your Silverado and it takes a full second for the engine to wake up? That is the factory drive-by-wire setting. GM intentionally delayed the throttle response to make the truck feel smoother and save fuel. But this lag causes the transmission to suddenly aggressively downshift when you need power, spiking your RPMs and shocking the internal engine components. Many experienced mechanics use a plug-in throttle controller to bypass this factory delay, restoring a one-to-one mechanical feel and stopping the erratic transmission downshifts. Setting number 5. Trusting the dashboard oil pressure gauge. Most owners look at the oil pressure dial and think they are safe if the needle is in the middle. Here is the secret. There is a tiny hidden mesh screen sitting under the oil pressure sensor at the back of your engine block. This screen is supposed to protect the active fuel management system, but it gets clogged with sludge constantly. By the time your dashboard gauge actually drops and warns you about low pressure, the top of your engine has already been starving for oil. Do not wait for the needle to drop. Preventative maintenance is your only gauge. Before I let you go, there is one unwritten setting you are choosing every single time you do an oil change: the cheap filter trap. Your engine's AFM lifters are most vulnerable during a cold start in the morning. If you use a standard discount oil filter, it lacks a high-quality anti-drain back valve. This means all the protective oil drains out of the top of your engine block overnight. When you turn the key the next morning, those delicate lifters grind against the steel camshaft completely dry for 2 full seconds. That morning dry start is the exact moment the metal shaves off. You must upgrade your mental setting. Only buy premium, heavy-duty oil filters that keep the oil trapped at the top of the block. A $15 filter will save your $5,000 engine. Your Silverado is an incredible machine, but you have to outsmart the factory programming to keep it alive. If you are ready to bulletproof your truck, check the pinned comment below for the exact AFM disablers and synthetic oils mechanics trust. If this video opened your eyes, hit the subscribe button right now. Tell me in the comments, have you disabled your AFM yet, or are you still risking it? I will see you next time at Garage of Time.